Hey guys, SBC Wilmington here, and I'm bored. I want to post something, so I'm going to be doing a siren test on all the radios. I don't know if I've done this before or not. We're just going to get started. We're going to start over here, actually by my bed. My WR400. Turn off this function, set time. Let's do it. I covered the speaker because there's some guests downstairs and I don't want to interfere with any of that. So that's number one. Now we're gonna go over here to my WR300. Alright, I'm gonna do this one, the 120, and I'm gonna cover the speaker on this one as well because this too is insanely loud. So that was pretty easy. Go over here to my 100. That one's pretty easy. This one, I'm gonna do a siren test on the reecom R1630. First, take a look at all the previous alerts. Alright, that's everything. Just hold that button right there. Right. Alright, that's the reecom, which was the last one. Back up here. And soon enough, I will be getting the HH54 VP. The unboxing video will come out once I get it. Might be a while. So we're just gonna go and come up here and thanks for watching, and yeah, just watch everything else. And you're pretty much caught up on this channel.